we have honestly made such a difference in the communities we visited, for them but also for us as well as students, which is awesome. If you're passionate about dentistry and dreaming of making a real difference while exploring vibrant Latin America, then you've found your home. Maximo Nivel's dental volunteer program in Costa Rica, Guatemala, and Peru aren't just about service. They're about transformation, for the communities we serve and for you.
I really like to help out and serve communities that need it the most. So this trip gave me the opportunity to come to definitely an underserved area and kind of use my skills and expertise to make a difference.
Something that made me want to volunteer abroad is I'm looking to go into dental school, and I really just wanted to be able to go out of the country to see a different culture and just be able to help people that are in need in different communities.
Oh, well, I'm a dentist, and I've been doing dentistry for 26 years now, and I've always wanted to go outside of my country to help other people in different areas. I know there's a lot more impoverished areas in the world, and that's one of my goals from now on, is just to start doing that, going to different areas and trying to immerse into the culture and see how I can help in my own way, doing dentistry.
What makes us unique is our deep local roots. We're not just placing volunteers, we are the local organization in Costa Rica, Guatemala, and Peru. Since our beginning in 2003, we've built strong, lasting relationships in communities and clinics that genuinely need support. Our core mission is twofold: to significantly improve oral health access and education in underserved areas, and to provide an unparalleled immersive learning experience for international volunteers. We focus on sustainable impact, not just temporary fixes, but rather fostering long-term health improvements.
So the project we're doing here in Cusco is a dental campaign. So we've been going around different communities each day, helping out with education and prevention in the oral health sector. The reason I chose to do this is a lot of my friends had said they were keen, and we thought it would be a really good opportunity just to get a real eye-opening experience of how sort of the other half of the world live, and yeah, it's been super interesting.
Well, I've always been interested in healthcare and especially dentistry, so I wanted to come out and see how it works here, and it's very different here. Like, I've learned a lot of differences between here and in Canada and in different countries too, and I think it's really cool to see that and learn and be able to learn these methods, the way they use these methods, and apply those to ones over there.
We are a group of dental students from New Zealand who have come over, and we are providing dental care for the outreach communities. We have seen so many people, even in just the last week that we've been here, helping kids, adults, everyone like that. We have honestly made such a difference in the communities we visited, for them but also for us as well as students, which is awesome.
Oral health care here is almost non-existent, so any sort of help these people can get is making a difference. It's preventing future problems and fixing past problems. So I feel like when we've come here, we've made a huge difference for both kids and adults, and it's just been so awesome, such an awesome feeling.
A typical day begins with a delicious breakfast with your host family. On your first day, you receive a detailed orientation at our campuses. Afterwards, we will take you to your placement and we will introduce you to the clinic placement, where you will meet the local medical team you will be assisting. After your clinical placement, the afternoons are yours to shape. Many choose to take optional Spanish classes on our campuses. Join a salsa dance lesson and traditional cooking class. Evenings are often spent sharing stories and meal with your host family, or going out to explore with your new friends.
I liked it very much because I could actually get in contact a little bit more with the assistants, with how they organize things around here, and relationship has developed with a team, and they said oh, belonging to the team now. And so that feels nice, and I found things to do and to help.
It's been super rewarding being able to help these communities that probably don't get to see a dentist as often. So that's been super rewarding, and also just exploring the local city and seeing their culture.
I would definitely recommend Maximo Nivel. They were very welcoming throughout the entire process here in Costa Rica, as well as since the day that we applied to our entire stay here. They also made sure that everything was well organized and that our stay here was very meaningful. So I'm very thankful for them, and their entire team was super supportive and professional as well.
I would say definitely do it. If you're worried about coming here alone, you're going to make so many friends, and everyone is so welcoming and nice. The Institute is an amazing place, and everyone's trying to help you succeed and volunteer to the best of your ability. So I definitely recommend it, and you can do it alone.